Thanks for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to walk you through the Crop and Create and everything that's involved with this wonderful event. I will link their website down below so you can see all of the details if you want to try to find one near you so that you can register and participate in everything they had to offer. When you first walk into the room, you're greeted by this glorious, sparkly table with wonderful gifts waiting for you at your spot. There are several things that you receive: a Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine, a beautiful exclusive attendee kit, and we also got a paper pumpkin set donated by Stampin Up. These are amazing kits that you can put together wonderful layouts and cards. On top of that, there is a prize tower. They will draw from this tower throughout the weekend and give prizes to those who are attending at random. It adds to the fun. There are so many wonderful sponsors that donate prizes to this event. You can see all of the wonderful products here that are available and so many opportunities to win. Some of your favorite companies, some of your favorite brands, and some of your favorite things to create with will be given away with this tower. Another fun thing to do while you're at the Crop and Create is to sign up for a class. Well, you will learn and explore all sorts of new products that are coming onto the market. Maybe you'll try some techniques that you haven't tried before. This is a flip through of Vicki Boutin's class where she does a watercolor flip book, and you can see all of the different fun, exciting pages that you would create within this class. Now, there are a number of different classes offered by all equally talented instructors, and they give you an overview of either a specific project or layout or technique. You always come away with amazing products that you can add your own personal touches to, your own photos, your own journaling. Here's another example of a layout class that was going on with Vicki Boutin as well, and you can see again all the amazing colorful techniques and beautiful imagery. And speaking of beautiful imagery, you also could take a class with Nicole Noasad, Fun with Foil, the layout workshop, where you would create these beautiful layouts that you see here. And also on display for further inspiration, they gave you an up-close and in-person look at the creations made with the exclusive attendee kit. It comes with all these wonderful products as well as full instructions to create these page layouts and cards. The Friday evening also includes a spectacular display of dessert that you get to indulge in the dessert buffet. There were fruits and sweets, coffee and tea to get you all sugared up for the next part of the evening, because if that wasn't enough fun, we move on from desserts and we attend the various make and takes that happen. Catherine does a beautiful gift that is as beautiful as she is to remember this great event, a necklace. We also put together shaker cards this evening with these products from Close to My Heart. They were so much fun to work with, really fun and simple. We got to do 2 different designs, and it was great to just sit down and create and have all the products right in front of you to put together this beautiful card, perfectly timed right before the holidays. Next, we had a chance to play with some of the American Crafts art crayons by Vicki Boutin, and this was a make and take with Vicki Boutin. It was a kissing technique that we tried on the card that we made. A number of different participants did different types of cards, but we created a background with the crayons, and then we just came in with a simple black ink and stamped over top of that. So we continued to move around the room. We go from table to table, and every table has a different teacher with a different project. Our final project was with the beautiful Sharon from Scrapbook Cottage, and she used inks and misties to allow us to create this amazing card. The next 2 days are filled with fun, like a photo booth to take hilarious pictures with your friends and document the fun that you had on the day. There is some scrapbooking that happens in the room over the 3 days. Friends, teachers come and unite. We interact with all of the instructors. They come by and take a look at our work. And of course, no scrapbooking event would be complete without a store. So we have the Scrapbook Cottage that comes from Winnipeg, and they set up a temporary store for us in Thunder Bay, Ontario, which is where this Crop and Create took place. And they bring with them all kinds of different products for us to peruse through and signs to entertain. My husband lets me have all the scrapbooking supplies that I can hide. There are also some beautiful examples of work that they have created, like this little December daily and some Christmas cards, and everything about the weekend just inspires you. Even walking around the room to see all the other creations, there is so much talent in this one room, and you bring all that energy and excitement together, and you create, you laugh, you have fun. I really highly recommend it. So I'm just giving you a little flip through of some of the ways that she does her display, and she categorizes everything typically either by brand or by the type of subject. So might be boys, might be baby. And we also had Creative Memories stop by and do a demonstration, as well as leave us with a little free gift and a make and take. So overall, it was great friends, great fun, and I look forward to it each and every year. Because there were so many wonderful prizes that they gave out this year, I'm going to go through and show you exactly everything that came as being a participant in this event. The value of this kit alone would be at least $50, and that's like a third of the cost of our registration fee. You more than get your money's worth when you attend a Crop and Create. Now, a lot of these products are sponsored by some fantastic companies that I'd love to give thanks to. This kit here has a lot of pink Paislee. There was WeR Memory Keepers that donated a one of those storage units, the kind that you turn and all the drawers come out. It's floral shaped in a tower. Each one of our tables had that. This was a prize that I won, and these are some Vicki Boutin rub-ons. Here is Scrapbook.com gave some tape. Stampin Up gave 2 sets of stamps, as well as the paper pumpkin. Fawn gave those 2 items. Creative Memories. Pink and Maine gave those glossy dots. I couldn't even wait to get into them. I had to open them up and use them right away. And this is what was inside the paper pumpkin, a set of stockings to decorate. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.